Hey everyone, it's Amber, also known as Pretty Amor, on the platforms that I sell on, such as eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and Depop. I'm currently recovering from nose surgery. I had a septoplasty, and the recovery's actually been pretty rough, but I got 2 consignment bags. I'm gonna film 2 videos back to back, so I'm gonna be in the same outfit and have my little Purdue blanket on. Go Boilers! Also, this is my dog Teddy. He really, he's I don't think he knows I'm filming, but yeah, so I look a little rough because I'm still recovering from the surgery, but like I said, I got 2 bags, so I want to film those, and I'm gonna try to get them up. This one I already got a week ago, but it was Labor Day weekend, so they were okay with me not posting yet, but yeah, here we go. Okay, we got some express pants. Express sweater. Oh my god, this is like really cozy. I kind of want to be wrapped in that right now. Max Studio, kind of like God, my brain fog honestly right now. An asymmetrical hem, and it's tied to the side. It's a cute basic. A basic Express Factory. If you guys didn't know how to tell the difference between Express and Express Factory, these 2 dots right here means that it's factory. Also J. Crew has that, and Talbot's, and Taylor, Loft. Did I say that already? My brain fog is really bad. I think there's a couple more if I'm mistaken. I don't know. Let me know in the comments, because like I said, my brain fog is just right now. But this is a cute basic. Looks like there's another basic Express. That said H&M. So I might lot those 2 together. Then we have some Old Navy leggings. I got some leggings from a previous consignment, so maybe someone will bundle them up, I hope. Oh, we have a Lululemon. It is an older tank top. This looks like to be the cool racerback. These don't have any size dots or anything, so if the thing's cut out, which is about 90% of the time, the size tag is cut out. But there is a chart that floats around on Poshmark, and you can just Google the Lululemon cool racerback size chart, and if you measure the pit to pit, it should tell you the approximate size. I haven't had any issues doing that. I mean, as long as you provide the measurements, usually people pretty much know their size in these tank tops, so that's not a big deal. Then we have a We the Free top. I've actually never seen this logo, so I'm assuming it's older, because I don't think that's what a new one looks like, but I could be wrong. It's cute. Very cute. We have Daytrip jeans. I don't pick these up, and they are skinny leg, so they're gonna be a little bit harder to sell, but they are 26 long, and there are a lot of people that have to shop online for long clothing, or I should say jeans, because they don't sell longer inseams in stores, so people go to online to find them. I've never heard of this brand of jeans, Reselling. I'm sure I'm butchering that name for sure. These are another skinny, size 6, distressed, hole in the leg, and they do, oh no, maybe that does come down. When I photograph that, I'll probably take them down. but they can be rolled up. Articles of Society, skinny leg distressed as well. Let's see what we have. A 32 degrees cool skirt. I don't think I've ever sold a skirt by that brand before. I'm actually not sure if I've ever sold that brand before, but I know it's like some kind of department store, Target maybe, I'm not sure. So it's not gonna sell for much, but here's an older Athleta dress. This is not their new logo at all. Their new logo actually features the style of the dress or whatever it is there. But of course, if it has the style number down here, you can always look that up and see what it is. But I'm actually not seeing it on this one. Oh wait, yeah, there it is. So yeah, this is definitely older because they usually have the date on there as well that I've seen, and this one doesn't. So I'm pretty sure it's pretty old, but it is a good silhouette. And it has pockets, and let's see what size. If I could turn this, oh no, it doesn't say the size. Okay, so I'll have to measure that out. And we have some Converse shoes. They're pretty clean overall. These cute booties, they're from 9 West. I love that detailing there. Let's see, these boots, they're from Madden Girl. They do have pretty significant toe wear right here, because I believe, yeah, with that flaking, they have to be pleather for sure. So that stinks. And then the last item that we have are another pair, if I could get them, another pair of Madden Girl sneaker booties, I would call these. I'm sure they have a style somewhere. But yeah, that concludes that bag. So we have some good name brand items and then some items that are from more department stores. So we'll see a little mix. I'd say this one was definitely not the best resale value for me overall and for the consignor. I mean, I obviously try to sell for as much as I can because they get as much as I do. And of course, Poshmark always gets their cut. But yeah, I'm gonna estimate I probably only make maybe 25 from this bag. I'll definitely keep you guys updated on how much things sell for and at the end of the consignment period. Let me know what you guys think, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe and like this video. Bye.